Teresa, take away the strawberries.
How?
Reach. Reach. You can reach. Can. Reach. You can't reach. Reach. You can reach. Isabel, lift the TV. Lift. Lift.
I can't lift the TV.
Or you cannot lift the TV. Can't or cannot. You can't lift the TV or you cannot lift the TV. I'm going to help. Help. I help Isabel lift the TV. Jump.
I can't jump. Can't.
Jump.
I can jump. Can.
I can eat the strawberry. Can. I can't eat this pencil. Can't. Or cannot. Can't or cannot.
Can I have your money?
No, you can't have my money. Or you cannot have my money. Listen, I hear a sound. Here.
I hear it too.
I can't hear it. Oh, now I hear it. Can you hear it?
Isabel, look at me. Look at me.
I can't see you.
Can you see me now?
Yes, now I can see you.
See.
Can you see the computer?
No, I can't see anything. Now I can see the computer.